So, what do we have here? This is a quick unboxing and a teaser for something I'm going to demo next week on the channel. Check this out.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So big thanks to DPA for sending over their new shotgun mic. And look at this thing, how cool is this design? I love the barrel. And it's definitely smaller than a 416. You're actually listening to the 2017 right now going into the MT48. And I think this thing sounds pretty darn good. Now this mic clip is really neat too because it's got a little locking mechanism in place, but the foam filter is really excellent. It's not your regular foam, it's kind of more of a Hakan pop killer foam. And it actually does do pop mitigation, which is pretty awesome. And I love the way that the clip just kind of slides on, right? And you can lock it in place, so it won't slide out. It's really neat stuff. And we're going to definitely be talking more about this next week. The 2017 from DPA. What do you think? Leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.